Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Kumar and today I will be showing you my project which is based on Linux Bash script and Samba SMB protocol. So what is Samba? So we use Samba to share a common directory in live mode among other operating system which is hosted on a single network. So what exactly it means? Let's say we have a multiple operating system like Windows, Ubuntu, CentOS, and I want to share a common directory, where users can upload their files or edit their files or they can see their files according to their read write permission. Here you can see this is my GitHub repository, and there is a folder named bash scripting where I have uploaded my project code. Okay, so it is a samba setup.sh. You can see here it is a code, and I'm not going to explain this code in this video because my purpose of creating this video to just showcase my project. Okay, uh, if you need to understand, then you can read this. That it is just like using CLI of Linux, and if you know basic of Python or C++ or any language, you can understand it definitely. Okay, let me show you this. This is my Linux server where I will be running that script file. Okay, so first you can see it has IP of 239.3. Okay, and there are two hosts which has a different IP address where you can see 192.168.239.4 and it is zero point 0.5. Okay, it is a zero point 0.5. So let me show you this. Okay, this is the file manager and other locations. Okay, in other location here, connect with the server. So smb dot. Okay, so it is the IP address of my Linux server. When I click it, you can see there is nothing here. Okay, it's just a single print dollar file. Okay, I will create a folder in Linux server and share this. Okay, so I can access it from both of the hosts. Let's move back to my Linux server and let's connect it through SSH, so it will be more easier. Okay, so SSH, at the rate 192.8.239.3 is my IP address, password. So I have connected here, and let's create a. Okay, before creating a file, let me go to the root. Okay, let's check what are the files here, and I will be creating a new folder, nano mbs samba setup sh. Okay, and I will copy this code here. See, Control H, Shift Y, and enter. Let me change this file permission chmod. I will give this executable permission and the file name samba. Okay, now you can see ls minus l. Okay, well, yeah, samba setup. You can see it has a permission of execute. Okay, now let's run this script. Dot slash samba. Before running this script, let me show you its configuration file. Cat etc slash shadow, not shadow, samba slash. See what are the samba? Yeah, smb dot conf. You can see right list equals to root. Okay, let me nano this so it will be more clear to use. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here it is nothing is written over here. I will run that automated script and it will be editing this configuration file automatically. Okay, so let's get back to my directory and run that script. Okay, you can see side by side. Okay, so first code is enter the name of the Samba share. Okay, so it is asking for input. So let's name our directory share. one. Okay, any name. Enter the path of the share directory. Let's create a path share. Okay, enter valid users. So let me create some username Tom. Okay, comma, Harry, Harry, comma, let's say any name SNA. Okay, H. Now enter. Enter the read list. Okay, so I'm going to give read permission to Tom. Enter the write list. Okay, so I am going to give write permission to Harry, Harry and SNAH. Okay, enter a comment. So let's give it any comment here. This is my project. So installing Samba, you can see apt install Samba. So it is installing Samba, and let's say it is a function. Okay, echo. So it will create a directory of share path. So share. Okay, I have given a name share. So it will create a directory. It will give all permission to that directory, and then Samba user account. You can see here creating this shared directory, creating Samba user accounts. So enter the password for the Tom. So it is a for loop, and yeah, it is asking for the user password. Okay, so prompt for user password, it will call this function, and in this function it is asking for the password of each user I have created. So let's say the password Tom. Okay, then again verify it. So you can see here user password and user password. Okay, confirm, enter the password for and confirm the password for. So it will check if both the password is same, then yeah, it could they enter the password for Harry. Let's say it's name, same password Harry. Harry. Enter the password for SNAH. SNAH. Okay, so the password is done, and it is telling me to press enter so that will create this. Okay, this file in that configuration file. Okay, and let me go to my host machine. Okay, host machine, and check, yeah, if there is really some directory created. Okay, so it is, let me refresh this, the location SM. You can see here a Samba share one directory. So let me open this registered user. So I have created three user, right? One Tom, Harry, and SNAH. So let's say first access Tom. Okay, work group and password. So what is the password of Tom? Yeah, here you can see I can easily connect here. Let me create a new folder here. So let's say I have created hello. You can see I have no access to write anything because I didn't give access to Tom. My Tom is in read list, so I cannot write anything and create any file, or I can't delete any file. Okay, so let me open this host, and yeah, this file manager, other location. Okay, SMB and IP address connect. Samba share one. Let me use user SNAH and the password SNAH. Okay, let me connect. You can see here folder is empty also. Let me create a new folder here. Hello. Okay, so SNAH has write permission, so I am easily able to create a folder. Let open this in terminal, and let me create a file. Okay, T.H echo hello, this is my automated Samba setup project, and let me save this sentence in a file named file.txt. Okay, so let me refresh this Samba share. You can see here is a file. Okay, let me check here again. There is a file .txt. I can, let me see this. Okay, so I can see this file because I have a read permission in Tom. but I cannot edit this file. Let me edit this. Save. You cannot edit this file. So this is what I'm going to show you. I have automated all the Samba task in my Linux server. Let me get back to the server and let me show you that configuration file that I have showed you before. Nano etc. I'm using an editor. You can see this using cat also, but in Nano it is colorful, so it will be more uh, nice to see. etc Samba slash SMB. Yeah, here you can see this one is written here, which was not written before. If I remove this, then see what happens. Let me remove this stuff. Okay, I remove it and let me save this. Okay, clear, and let me restart my Samba. Okay, SYST system CTL START restart SMB. Okay, now let me get back to the host. Let me refresh this. Connect again. As you can see, there is nothing. The folder has gone because I have deleted that line from the configuration file. Okay, oops, something went wrong. So there is no such file or directory present now. I hope you understand my project and find it helpful for you. If you love this, then please star it, and you can also contribute to my repository Mastering Linux Admin, where I will be uh, adding more such related stuff. I have created Ansible project also here, and I will be sharing some common commands and protocols fundamentals. You can refer this to learn. So this is in under construction. Okay, good to see you. Bye.